Good morning, guys. I'm currently late for work. Let's go. I'm late for work. What's up, guys? I'm at Rongai, and it's currently 6:20, and I'm supposed to be at Kitengela at 8. So we need to hurry up. Let's go. Looks like it rained yesterday. So this is the reason why I'm always late. See, I find these things, man. Look at the reasons why I'm always late. Anyway, it's only today that I'm late. I'm never late, by the way. It's just another Tuesday morning, man. Let's go. We are going to work, man. As usual, man. One day I'll wake up and I won't have to. Today traffic was bad. I was stuck in traffic for an hour in Rongai, and it's currently 7:40. I'm supposed to be at work at 8. Okay, I'm late. I admit, it was me. I'm late.